In today's video, I'll show you how to change the actual desktop icons on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, identify the icon that you want to change. For example, I want to change the icon of this subscribe folder. So for this, what I have to do is just go ahead and download an icon from Google or anywhere. And after I have done that, I'll just come to this folder and right click on it and click on show more options. Then click on properties. And after that, what I can do is simply go to customize tab. From here, under folder icons, it says I can change the folder icon. And if I want, I can also change it to be a longer preview. So I'll just click on change the icon over here. Now there's going to be a lot of icons that I can choose from. Or I can just browse and put any icon that I downloaded from the internet. For example, I have one over here. Click on open after selecting it. It will be imported over here. Click on OK again. Then just click on apply. Click on OK. And as you can see, I have the icon over here. And basically, that is how to change desktop icons on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.